What's up, guys? Byrne here with Marshall Reddick Real Estate, along with the new stars of HGTV show Renovation, Aloha. What's up, guys?
What's up?
How's it going, man?
So great to be here. We're at the property Aquila, and it's going to be featured on the show. We're just really excited for all the success you guys had, and we can't wait to tune in and watch.
Thank you so much. Our success has been alongside you guys.
Yes.
Marshall Reddick has been a huge support in helping us do all these amazing projects. If you guys are looking for a lender, hit up Marshall Reddick.
And please tune in on February 20th for our TV show, Renovation Aloha, on HGTV. At what time?
9 p.m. Eastern and Pacific, and 7 p.m. in Hawaii.
Don't miss it.
Yes.
You're going to see awesome projects by yours truly.
Woo!
Great.